My name's Oliver Waring and I'm a Postdoctoral Research Fellow in the Department of Cellular and Physiological Sciences here at UBC. The focus of my research with Dr. Chris West is really to understand how breathing low oxygen and high carbon dioxide may help improve cardiovascular health of patients with spinal cord injury. Most of my previous research looked at how the nervous system controls cardiovascular function in animals that live at high altitude, where there's very little oxygen available to them. Interestingly, a lot of the pathways that I was looking at during that work are common to pathways that are damaged in people with spinal cord injury. And in fact, people with spinal cord injury are about 4 times more at risk of developing cardiovascular disease than the general population. Some of Dr. West's recent preclinical work in rodents has shown that repeated bouts of low oxygen can actually stimulate the nervous system's control of cardiovascular function and help recover control of blood pressure to healthy levels. What we're interested in is really understanding the mechanistic basis of how these processes work before we can apply that to a clinical setting in patients. So our preclinical work using rodents is vital to make sure that we can develop a safe, low-cost and non-invasive therapy for the improvement of the cardiovascular health of patients with spinal cord injury, both in terms of quality of life and quantity of life. My own personal hope is that I can leverage my skill set and background that I acquired looking at how animals respond to challenging environments and apply that to help make a positive impact and improve the lives of patients with spinal cord injury. I'm really grateful for this Killam Award to set my postdoctoral research work against the work of the top-tier scientists and scholars across Canada. And in particular, I'm really excited to have the financial freedom to travel to conferences, especially at this point of my career as I move from student to professor.